Hello friends, welcome back to Dinesh Academy, and in this video we are going to discuss about the most important grammar point, that is tense. So tenses are very important and this video is all about the introduction of tenses, and in the upcoming videos we are going to discuss each and every subtenses in detail, and please do watch the complete video to get the clear understanding of the topic. So without any further delay, let's get into the topic. Before learning the tense, a question arises in everybody's mind. Why do we need to learn tenses? Yeah, of course. Learning tenses is one of the most essential skills that is required while studying the English language because it is very important while communicating both verbally and in written form because it helps us clearly indicate the time at which something has happened. Alright, what are tenses in English? Before knowing it, let's know the meaning of tense. The word tense is derived from a Latin word tempus, and in Latin language, the tempus word refers to time. Hence, tense refers to time. Then, let's define tense. It's very simple, guys. A tense is a form of verb which shows the time. It shows the time of what? The time of action taken place, whether the action is taken in present, past, or future. Therefore, a tense is a form of verb which expresses or shows the time of action taken place. Based on the action taken place, we have divided the tenses into three main types. The first one, present tense, the second one, past tense, and the third one, future tense. Based on the usage of tenses, each main tense is subdivided into four subtenses. So let's see each one of them. The first one, present tense. Present tense consists of four subtenses like simple present, present continuous, present perfect, and present perfect continuous. The subtenses of past tense is simple past, past continuous, past perfect, past perfect continuous. And the last one, future tense, simple future, future continuous, future perfect, and future perfect continuous. Okay, guys, hope you understood that there are three main tenses and 12 subtenses, as each main tense consists of four subtenses, and we'll discuss each subtense in detail in the upcoming videos. So for now, let's discuss the main types of tenses and why do we need them. The main tenses are past, present, and future. So first let's understand the present tense. The simple present tense or present tense is one of the most basic tenses in English. We use present tense to talk something about that is currently going on, something that is habitually performed, or a state that generally or currently exists. And the structure that we use for present tense is subject plus verb with s or es plus object. So let's see some of the examples. He lives in Bangalore. The second example, Ramu drives a taxi. When you look at the examples closely, she and Ramu are the subjects of the examples, with the verb lives and drives like s or es, and the object is Bengaluru and taxi. Therefore, the both examples are the examples of present tense. Alright, let's move on to the past tense. The past tense is used to describe an activity or an event that has happened in the past or a past state of being and needs to include a time marker for when the event or action took place. And the structural formula for past tense is subject plus verb in the second form, that is V2 plus object. The examples of past tense are we met yesterday, and the second example, he bought a new laptop last week. And in the both the examples, we can see the subject we and he followed by verb 2, that is met and bought, and the verb is followed by object yesterday and laptop. So before moving on to the next tense, that is future tense, Let's understand the basic forms of verb V1, V2, V3 and V1 ing. V1 stands or refers to present tense, the base form of the verb, and V2 refers to the past tense, and the V3 refers for past participle tense, and V1 plus ing refers to present participle. To understand this in a better way, let's take an example of the verb go. Go is the base form of verb and it is in present tense and always takes V1 form. And the V2 form, that is past tense form of go, is went. And the past participle form of go, that is V3, is gone. And the last one, the present participle form of go, that is V1 ing, is going. Let's see the another verb, the verb run. A run is a base form of verb and it acts like a V1, and the past tense of run is, that is V2, ran. And the V3 form, that is past participle form of run, is run. And the last one, that is present participle, which is V1 ing, sometimes it is also referred as V5, is running. So, guys, these are the different verb forms, and these verb forms really help us to understand and use the tense in a much better way. So, guys, here is a chat of verb form list. Please do pause the video and go through them in detail for the better understanding of tenses and their usage. Okay, let's move on to the next tense, that is future tense. The future tense is a verb tense used to describe an event or action that has not yet happened and is expected to happen in the future. The structure formula for future tense is subject plus shall or will plus verb with s or es plus object. So let's see the examples. The first one, I shall write an essay, and the second one, he will be here soon. And when we look at both the examples closely, here I and he are the subject, followed by shall and will with the verb s or es and the object, and hence the both the examples refers to future tense. Okay, guys, let's recall the content learned so far because this will really help for the other upcoming videos related to tenses. So, basically, tense is a verb, and the word tense is taken from the Latin language tempus, which refers to time. Therefore, tense is a verb which shows the time of an action taken place. And the tense are divided mainly into three types: present tense, past tense, and future tense. Based on the three main tenses, each main tense is subdivided into four subtenses, that is, simple, continuous, perfect, and perfect continuous. And the usage of each subtenses is also very important, and we are going to discuss the usage of each subtenses in the next video, and we'll be right back soon right here on YouTube. And if you really like the content and the effort that we are putting into this channel, please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.